This is ALCATEL T110 Smart, and today I will show how you can share the Wi-Fi password on this device. So first step you need to take is to launch settings. From here, go for the network and internet category. Onwards, open the Wi-Fi page, then connect your tablet to whatever Wi-Fi network you would like to show the password of, then tap on it. Once you've made it to the network details page, go for the share option, and the following share Wi-Fi section. Not only it reveals the actual Wi-Fi password right over here, but also provides you with a convenient QR code that you can further scan with any other device and get the aforementioned device automatically connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So that would be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.